Hello dear students, in second video of chapter 2 components of food, we will start with balanced diet. Generally different food items contain different nutrients. We have already studied food components also. A diet, in simple term we can say a diet that contain all nutrients that are required for proper growth and functioning of the body in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Also we can say balanced diet is one which contain variety of foods in such quantity and proportion that the need of energy, amino acid, vitamins, mineral, fats, carbohydrates and other nutrients adequately met for maintaining health, vitality and general well-being, and also make a small provision for extra nutrients to withstand short duration of leanness. Balanced diet is not the same for everyone. It depends on various factors like age, gender, physical activity of a person. Balanced diet include mixture of all nutrients or food components like carbohydrate, vitamins, protein, roughage, etc. It provides general nutrition which is required for the body. Now here please note, if we consume an improper diet, that is when a person takes or eat more food, he gain more calories, that is more than required amount as per his or her daily body needs. This condition, with this type of act, he becomes obese or fat accumulation or weight gain is there. Such condition is known as obese. Now what is calorie? Calorie is a unit for measuring how much energy food will produce. In हिंदी we can say भोजन से प्राप्त ऊर्जा को मापने की इकाई, that is calorie. Now you can see in the picture a person having fat tummy. Such condition is obese, and this disease or this abnormality is known as obesity. Obesity is defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation in the body area. You can see central part, large accumulation in the tummy area. So such condition is known as obesity. Now we'll see what do we mean by deficiency. Introduction of deficiency. Deficiency diseases are diseases in humans that are directly or indirectly caused by lack of essential nutrients in the diet. Deficiency diseases are commonly associated with chronic malnutrition. Chronic means for a longer time, ज़्यादा देर तक अगर हम किसी फूड कंपोनेंट या न्यूट्रिएंट्स को अपने भोजन में शामिल नहीं कर रहे या ले नहीं रहे, तो उससे क्या होगा, उस पर्टिकुलर कंपोनेंट की कमी हो जाएगी हमारे शरीर में और उससे कोई एबनॉर्मेलिटी या हमारी बॉडी में माल नरिशमेंट या माल न्यूट्रिशन की प्रॉब्लम्स आ सकती हैं. एडिशनली conditions such as obesity, which now we have seen in the above picture, from overeating, excessive or more eating, more than sufficient eating, overeating can also cause or contribute to serious health problems. Excessive intake of some nutrients can cause acute poisoning. Acute means short duration, chronic means long duration. Acute poisoning. Deficiency कमी होना. Now we'll see diseases. Diseases originally referred to what it says. This is a person who did not feel at ease or was uncomfortable and not well was said to be at a disease. अगर कोई व्यक्ति या पर्सन अनकंफर्टेबल महसूस कर रहा है, आराम नहीं है, तो सच कंडीशन कैन बी नोन एज डिसीज. Nowadays, of course, when you talk about disease, we mean a particular discomfort caused by a dysfunction, error, or not functioning well. Dysfunction of some part of the body is known as disease. Now we can see in the picture, beta, there are the two children. One is suffering from the large tummy or fat belly, and other is suffering from stunted growth and body is very lean and thin. So the children having fat tummy, such condition of disease is known as kwashiorkor, whereas the children suffering from the thin body and stunted growth, such condition is known as marasmus. Now we'll see the causes of deficiency further. Now, deficiency due to proteins. Proteins are body building food. They can cause serious diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus to small children if sufficient or needed protein are not given to them. अगर बच्चों को प्रोटीन की, बेटा यहाँ पर ऊपर प्रोटीन्स की जगह रॉन्ग प्रिंट हो गया है, प्लीज़ करेक्ट कर लेना बेटा. अगर हम बच्चों को फूड या डेली डाइट में प्रोटीन की रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट या क्वांटिटी नहीं देते तो बच्चों में प्रोटीन की कमी होने लगती है और उस कमी से क्वाशियोरकर और मैरास्मस नाम के डिसीज बच्चों में हो जाते हैं. If sufficient proteins are not given to them, this is the reason why small children are advised to take protein rich diet. Now the sources of proteins are milk, pulses, egg, meat and fish. Second deficiency due to carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy or chief source of energy for the body. The energy produced by the carbohydrates are used by our body to perform various tasks. Deficiency of sufficient carbohydrate leads to body weakness, कमज़ोरी आ जाएगी, थकान महसूस होगी. लॉस ऑफ स्टेमिना, शक्ति, आप काम करने की शक्ति कम हो जाएगी, किसी काम को करने में मन नहीं लगेगा, जल्दी से थकावट आ जाएगी. लॉस ऑफ स्टेमिना. सो deficiency of protein and carbohydrate we have seen. Now we will see some diseases caused due to deficiency of vitamins and mineral. Now first we will see vitamin A. Deficiency of vitamin A causes disease like loss of vision. Symptoms like poor vision, धुंधला दिखाई देना, दूर का दिखाई न देना. Such condition caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Now deficiency of vitamin B1 or B causes disease known as beriberi, where weak muscles symptoms, इसके लक्षण जो हैं कमज़ोर मांसपेशियाँ muscles, they will be very weak in condition like beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin C, the disease is known as scurvy. Symptoms bleeding gums, गम से दांतों के पास स्वेलिंग हो जाना, वहाँ से रक्त आना. Such condition happens when there is a deficiency of vitamin C. Better source of vitamin C is lemon. Now, deficiency of vitamin D causes disease known as rickets, and symptom of rickets are soft and bent bones. विटामिन डी की कमी से क्या होगा? रिकेट्स नाम की बीमारी या रोग हो जाएगा, और इसके लक्षण हैं कि कमज़ोर हड्डियाँ और ऐसी हड्डियाँ जो मुड़ चुकी हों. डिफिशियंसी ऑफ कैल्शियम causes bone and tooth decay, whereas weak bones and tooth decay, कमज़ोर हड्डियाँ और दांतों में सड़न, किसकी कमी से? कैल्शियम. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द आयोडीन. Deficiency of iodine causes disease known as goiter. In this disease, there is a swollen gland in the neck. गले के पास जो एरिया है वो उसमें swelling आ जाती है, because in our neck area there is a gland present known as thyroid gland. हमारे गले में थायराइड ग्लैंड होता है. जब आयोडीन की कमी हो जाती है तो उस ग्लैंड में स्वेलिंग या सूजन आ जाती है, और इस सूजन को ही गोइटर कहते हैं, और हिंदी में घेंघा रोग या गलकंड कहते हैं. नाउ विल सी डिफिशियंसी ऑफ आयरन. डिफिशियंसी ऑफ आयरन causes disease known as anemia. एनीमिया कहते हैं ना, खून की, लोहे की कमी, खून की कमी हो जाना रक्त में. दैट कंडीशन इज नोन एज एनीमिया. ड्यूरिंग एनीमिया पर्सन इज फीलिंग वीकनेस, थकावट महसूस करेगा वो व्यक्ति. सो सच कंडीशन occur due to deficiency of vitamins, vitamin A, B, C, vitamin D, calcium, iodine and iron we have seen here. So with this, dear children, we are completing our second chapter, component of food. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you class.